Well, in just a matter of hours, we could be learning how Carlsbad plans to crack down on businesses openly defying the county's stay-at-home orders. ABC 10 News anchor Mary McKenzie spoke to the attorney representing some of those businesses and to one of the city council members who will be deciding what to do about them.
The Carlsbad City Council will meet later today to decide what to do about a number of businesses in the city that continue to stay open despite public health orders.
Take a look at the Costco's and the Targets and the big box stores. Take a look at air travel. Take a look at in-home socializing. Those are the things that are really causing the spread. So don't pick on our restaurants, gyms, and salons.
Michael Curran is the attorney for more than 200 restaurants, gyms, and salons primarily, many of which are staying open, he says, for survival. He calls their defiance a peaceful protest against the orders and says he's not looking to go to court. For now, Carlsbad police have been opting for education over enforcement, trying to get businesses to comply.
What we've seen up in the city of Carlsbad so far, which we've really appreciated, is Carlsbad police have pretty much come in and said, well, you're aware of these orders. You're supposed to be following them, but we see that you're not. We see that you're in the midst of a peaceful protest. Here's a box of masks. Have a nice day.
But that could change today. Councilmember Corey Schumacher is proposing a new order that would add teeth to enforcement, making each violation a cumulative administrative citation, starting with warnings, then $100, $200, and $500 fines. And now that they have a 5-member council in the city, she thinks they'll send a clear message today. She says it's time. There are 28 cease and desist orders that have been issued by the county in her district alone, she says.
This is really about getting to a point where with a 5-member council, we can give very clear direction on what we expect out of our staff and what we expect from our community members when it comes to taking care of each other during a public health crisis.
The meeting today is at 3 o'clock in Carlsbad. Mary McKenzie, ABC 10 News.
The council is also voting today on a plan to enforce wearing masks along the Carlsbad boardwalks and seawall. We will let you know how those votes go.